Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Help, guys. So today I'm going to show you how you can change the currency when checking out flights on Turkish Airlines. So let's quickly dive into the video. So here, let's say we're coming from Philippines, Manila. Let's say we're going to Brussels. Let's say Belgium. See all destinations. So let's say Belgium, then Brussels airport. And this will be our departure date, let's say 22 to 25. Then click OK, search flights. Now, as you can see here, the currency is already converted in peso. But the thing is, you can convert it using the currency converter found right here on the upper right corner of the screen. So we can just click on this and then calculate it to select the currency that you want it to be calculated to. So let's say US dollar, calculate. So that's the price in USD. Let's say Australian dollar, it'll calculate. And this is the price in Australian dollar. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit, of course, the like and the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.